हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं नौरीन और आप देख रहे हैं मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल जर्नी विद नौरीन। मेरी ट्विन ग्रैंड डॉटर्स इलिया और अमीलिया ने काफ़ी सारे टॉयज़ जो हैं वो इकट्ठे किए हुए हैं और आज हम इनका रिव्यू करेंगे, इनको ओपन करेंगे और देखेंगे कि किस तरह से टॉयज़ भी जो हैं वो आपकी स्किल्स के लिए, आपकी एजुकेशनल स्किल्स के लिए बेटर होते हैं। तो पहले आप ये देखो बेटा, ये जो है ये आपकी दोनों की अपनी अपनी वॉच निकालें और हम इनको देखते हैं कि इनमें
Oh, it's open here already.
Okay. So let me see.
Here is the one.
Okay, this is hello.
Then you swipe it.
Swipe.
And you can take picture of my watch.
Okay. Turn on.
So it can like make magic. I cannot see it.
Okay.
Now when I do this, I'm going to turn it on. Just wait for it. And
It's also saying hello.
And it makes a magic. Okay, this is like this.
Okay, this is time. You need to change the time and date. Okay, you have to fix it.
Why?
Okay. Why? Because you need to check the time again.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so you have here contact list. You can make a phone call. You have camera and you will have a gallery of photos. Next दिखाएं, next क्या आता है? Okay, you can record video. You can play music and recorder also and player. Okay, wow. Next. Okay, so you have calculator. Right now you will not use the calculator because you have to learn everything. Okay. Stopwatch. You have a stopwatch in this watch. You have timer. You have calendar. Next, you have alarm and you have games and setting everything for like I told you about the time and everything.
Alarm.
Wow, very good smartwatch. Okay. To open this one, this is what is called. Let me see. देखिए ये इनका ये है, पूरे कलर्स हैं.
It's called.
Inspirational art case. Oh my god.
Yeah.
So
It's a
many
suitcase.
colors.
It's a suitcase.
Okay. So these are 20. These are the pencils 20. And these are 64 crayons. Okay. Very good box. Very good,
That's
my god.
That's a big
Lucky you
number.
guys. Yes.
That's so cool.
Close it. This is so cool.
So now
Close
we're
it.
going to walk it.
Good. Okay.
So now we're gonna open the mic, but I think we're gonna open this one, but
Okay.
I think we're opening the learning one
Oh yes.
because
This is leaf reader. This is leaf reader, which will help kids to how to read.
they learn.
Mhm.
Because this pencil helps kids how to read
Okay.
and to learn. We're
And to-
grade 1 kids.
Okay. So how's your grade 1?
Good.
Good. So is easy or hard?
Easy.
Easy. Grade 1 is easy. Easy
Yeah.
peasy. Okay. Wonderful. Let me open this.
So I think you open it on the top.
On the
Or-
this is a leaf reader book. How it is?
And you can get it A, but I don't know.
Let
Down
me see.
to-
What they are saying helps your child learn to read and write.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
We can open.
uh,
Wow.
there's so many things. But it's hard. It's too hard to open
Oh.
though. We got a lot of things in
Yeah,
this charger
yeah.
to charge
This
the
is here.
pencil.
We need to
Charge the pencil.
This is charger for a pen because
Yeah.
wherever you will put
If
pen.
it's like if it don't have energy, you should put charger. So,
Okay, so this is the instruction book.
yeah.
All of the instruction book I'm keeping safe. Okay.
It's in the bag. You did.
Look at this.
It's in the bag.
1 second. Yeah, this is a kind of box.
These are a lot
Okay,
of books.
these are the books.
See, there are too many 10 books. One.
We need to charge the pen. I don't know it's charged already or not.
Okay, let's check.
How many books inside?
Okay.
Okay. So how many books are here?
10 books.
Is charged already? Okay. There here is 3, 3, 6, 10 books. Wow. 10 books.
I like
And
the sound of water.
keep this one safe because I don't want
This to go
Rose
in the-
and Hope and I Spy in the Skies at the lake. So many stories. Okay. So whenever you will put the pen here, let me see what's the result. How they will read. Okay. Let me see. Put the pen and then.
So we say June
no.
with them. June is here at.
Now you can read all of these stories with the help of this digital pen and learn how to read books. Okay. What's next now?
Next we did this.
Okay. So open. It's okay.
So these are the walkie-talkies.
Walkie-talkies.
Pink is
Oh.
my favorite.
Okay.
And purple is my favorite. Here is purple.
Okay. So keep.
And this is
third
yours.
one because there's no third child, so you guys can play. Okay, Amelia, you go and we will we'll check how it plays.
Okay. You go upstairs. Can you? I cannot. I don't know.
Okay.
Can you?
Hello, Amelia. Ilya. Hello, Ilya.
I can hear you. I cannot hear. You can't hear me.
Ilya, we can hear you.
No, she said I cannot hear you. Yoya, can you talk me something? Okay, I'll talk about you. Yoya, why are you talking about funny jokes? I'm talking about kids' funny jokes.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So.
Yoya, you can go downstairs now. Okay.
Okay, she's coming. Wow,
Now
this is wonderful. These are the wireless. How many? You have 3 pieces of.
3.
You have 3 pieces of wireless. Okay.
Just do this.
On karo.
Just wait. And you can talk to other people.
Okay, you
So
turn
it's
off.
great.
Oh,
And we're
very
gonna take the camera
good. Very
now.
nice.
And we're gonna open the camera.
Come here, come here, come here.